just wanted to do a quick touch base with you guys on Nexen tires. Not many people have actually reviewed these tires. These are the Nexen Winspike 3. They actually, I think they just came out, to tell you the truth. So these are my slightly bigger size tire than I normally would get. My tire is actually 235 50 R18, but I went with a 55 to just get a little more sidewall due to the potholes up here in Vermont. So I went ahead and did that instead of just getting the XL, because the XLs actually ride harder. And these probably should ride better anyways, and I should have a little more leeway and room with these tires. Anyways, I just wanted to kind of point out to you guys the main rib here, which is continuously connected, is actually done pretty well. And if you notice on a lot of tires, this is kind of the standard design where it swipes out and stuff like that. But what I like about this is the way it's staggered. You know, it's not like just one continuous style. So that should help a lot in the grip, and then also with the way it's swiped here, you know, it's siped and stuff like that. It works pretty well. I am going to stud this. As you can see, it is studdable, but I'm going to stud this due to the ice and packed snow that we do have here in Vermont. And then one other quick thing real fast, which not many tires do, but this is like a balance area. So this kind of lets the tire installer to know that this is where the tire is actually pre-balanced, you know, so they can use it as a marker to balance tire on the rim. Just pretty interesting, because not many tires companies do that still, or at all, to tell you the truth. But yeah, so I'm looking pretty stoked on getting these tires up on my car. It is only the beginning of September, so hopefully I'll be able to use these next month, maybe, or probably November, more likely. But I'm looking forward to putting these on my tires on my car and let you guys know how they ride. So until then, hey, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Alright, so gonna finish the review on these Nexen Winspike Winguard 3, or what are the, yeah, Winguard Winspike 3. So you can see it's finally snowing in Vermont. Can definitely say the tires do their job. Okay, it's that typical slushy, icy combination. I guess I could put the camera perhaps here. So I'll put it here on the side and we'll see how it goes. hope that showed you guys some of the benefits of these Winspike tires. Look at my driveway and stuff. Got quite a bit here. So, anyways, it's definitely definitely worth investing in these tires. I highly recommend them. A lot of grip, no problem stopping. And I'm at an incline, hit the brakes kind of hard, stops it like on a dime. So highly recommend them. Hope that helps you guys. So I just wanted to show you guys one more thing. As you can see, it's pretty deep snow over here, and we just all three of us just rolled up here like it was nothing. This is a pretty steep incline, so you know. Nope, Benny, come on, let's go. So anyways, that's a pretty steep incline, and about to go on a hike. So go hike it up and enjoy some deep Vermont powdered snow. Hit the pow. So, all right, guys. So hope you guys decide to buy those Nexen Winguard, whatever the hell they're called. Nexen Winguard Winspike 3. There we go. All right, hope it helps you guys. Peace. All right, so I'm using the Volvo hill descent, and this is a pretty steep grade here. You can see a lot of people actually, looks like they wiped out a little bit. So, anyways, I had the camera outside, but it didn't seem to work so well. So it seems to be holding it at like 5 miles an hour roughly, which doesn't seem too bad. I mean, I think it should be slower than that, but I don't know. So the winter tires are definitely working really well. This is probably what what these Volvos are made for. These Volvo XC70s, they're definitely made for this. I'm pretty stoked on that. So, oh, there's someone in the Jeep. So, and here I am, like, what's this guy doing? But I'm just showing you guys how well the hill descent control works in like really wintry conditions. I probably could even go into the deeper stuff here and really get to start working harder. So, yeah, definitely. You can see I'm like straight in. Like, there's the what do you call it? The previous tracks, and I'm just going through. Oh, got snow in the front of the car. That's what that was. So you can see this this turn really pretty aggressive turn for this mountain. Like I said, this is probably one of the steepest parts of this mountain. A lot of people take it kind of easy. So, oh, here's another one. Other than going up, you can kind of haul ass.